Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Yes, y'all, I have a lovely Tablescape open invite. Let's get your boarding pass. Get online and get your airfare. And we are off on Hawaiian Airlines to the wonderful Hawaii. Yes, paradise, y'all. And while we're over there, we're going to see the lovely Polynesian dancers. And at night, we will be sitting with our Mai Tais and wonderful drinks, watching the lovely ladies in Hawaii. So come on over and join the Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. Information is coming up next. The Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20, and you're going to use the Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20 for your hashtag. The host is me. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. The co-host is DIY Design by CCW, Miss Candy. And me, myself, and DIYing it, Tammy, is also joining in on this collaboration. So, the rules will be mention all channels and be subscribed to all channels. The upload date is June 13th, 2020, Saturday. The time is 7 a.m. We would like for you to use Hawaiian tropical colors. It could be any type of colors. Just Google if you're unsure, but please stay within the Hawaiian colors. Also with this Tablescape, it just does not have to be in your home. You can have an outside display during the day or at night. If you have a Tikki Bar or some type of bar and you want to design that as a Tablescape, please be free to use any type of items that you may have to blow this Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20 out of the water. Let's design this table or your outdoor area, if you can, as a tropical Hawaiian oasis. The food and the drink is optional. It could be anything. It's up to you if you would like to display that on your table, but we just want you to have fun, get creative, and have more fun. So I will see everyone at the Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. The playlist will be available down below in my description box. Make sure to go over and check out Candy at CCW and me, myself, and DIYing it. I'll see you at the luau.